Look down at the marvel of caffeine and octane. Bryan Fuller's got the lowdown from inside a car called Vengeance.
So tell me about Vengeance. It's my Mount Everest. It's my time machine. It's my getaway car. If this life ever gets too hectic and I don't want to be in this anymore, I'll put my family and my kids in this, and I'll be out.
Totem's an enigma, you know? He's into breakdancing. He's worked his way up from being a graffiti artist to being one of the most talented artists I've ever met. He puts his mind to something, there's no stopping him.
My particular art medium is derived from vandalism, is derived from street graffiti. I discovered who I was via that medium. And I realized that I'm better than just writing some gang's name on a wall somewhere. But I'll say at any point in time, I'm not afraid of where I came from. That's part of what got me here. You know, those are the things that made me me.
You know, I think a couple of things to me that make great artists special is one, that they can see their work in their head. They don't have any trouble going back to it, flipping through it like a catalog. And two, they work hard. And they work hard because they love what they do. Passion has to be involved in everything you do in this life. Whether you're married to a woman or married to a build, you gotta be passionate about it, or else you'll never see it through. And one big thing about this car for me is that I called it my Mount Everest. And the reason for it is I believe that every young man should go big on something at least once in life, and this one was mine.
When I first started building the car, I didn't know enough about building professional cars.
It's a lot of work to take a big pile of horsepower and transmission and roll cage and wheels and flares and tires and put them into a car. You try it.
And it was just a body. You know, I never built from a body, just no glass, no suspension, nothing. I said, oh my God, what am I gonna do? Either I can quit or I can really turn this thing around. Am I the type to come back after adversity or what? So you know what I said? I'm gonna come back with a vengeance. The name came from my choice of either laying down or standing the hell up. And I stood up and here we are.
That was awesome. What a ride.
That's right.
Let's see under the hood.
There she is.
Oh, yeah.
LS7. Nice. 427 LS7, 7-liter, hand-built, forged internals, dry sump and everything. I'm basically making a street fight, modern Trans Am road race car. When you really try to express yourself with a car, it's just you, you know? There's nobody else. You're not battling against somebody. I'm building my car better than this guy. You're not doing that. It's just you and the car. You want that car to be exactly how you want it to be.
Vengeance is like the shell of Totem. You know, that's like Batman has his Batmobile, and the Bat Chopper, and the Bat Boat. That is the exterior of Totem, Vengeance. It's interesting for, you know, a guy who obviously has the skill to write anything you want on a car, you keep it pretty subdued.
Yeah, I believe the outside should be clean. You know, I personalize all my cars, but graffiti on the outside of a car is the equivalent to me of putting a tattoo on Marilyn Monroe. I don't see the reason to do that. What I consider perfection is taking something that is already a beautiful form and try to embellish in its subtleties. When you execute style with graffiti, it flows perfectly. It has no hiccups. It's beautiful. In breakdancing is exactly the same thing. The understanding of the movement, the fluidity of it makes it beautiful. And it's the same thing with cars. When you understand the form of the car, the shape of the quarter glasses and fender arches and the wheel openings, once you understand those basics of the car, you can put together a beautiful thing. This car is not made to impress you. I don't give a damn whether you think the paint is this or that, or I don't care about that. What I care about is that I built the car that I love.